Hello everyone! Today we are going to make one of these well-being jars. The idea is to fill our well-being jars with as many happy, fun activities as possible to help us when we feel anxious or stressed. I'm going to show you how I painted mine, but you can paint it however you want to with your favourite animals or designs. Inside as well, your little notes will be personalised for you, so you can choose any activities you want. I'll quickly just show you one of mine. So this one says, draw a picture. So if I'm feeling worried or anxious or nervous about something, then drawing a picture might help me to calm down and feel happier. Another good idea for this is if you haven't got a jar and paints, you can use a tissue box and felt tip pens. Okay, let's begin.